So hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we are gonna talk about how we can generate a logo automatically. Let's say you have a brand or a YouTube channel and you want to create a logo for your channel or for your brand. Now instead of spending much time for designing your logos or hiring someone to create a logo for you, let's say you want to create a logo without putting much effort, you can do this by watching this video. In this video we are going to talk about two websites called Wix Logo Maker and Freepik. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the website number one, which is Wix Logo Maker. So first of all, open a browser in your PC and then just search Wix Logo Maker and then click on the first website and you will get something like this. Now click on Get It Now. After clicking on Get It Now, you will get two options. So hire someone to design your logo would be a paid option. You need to pay someone to create a custom logo for you. Now the other option is create your logo yourself. This is a free option, so I'm just going to click on Create Logo. Now here you need to type the name of your logo and a tagline of your logo. Let's say the name of my logo is YouTube Growth and the tagline is Let's Grow and Earn. After doing this, click on Next and here you need to select your channel type. Let's say it's a gaming channel or a tech channel. So for now, I'm going to choose a YouTube tech channel. Now here you need to describe the way you want your logo. Like if you want it modern, funny, playful, techy. So you can choose the options you want and then you can click on Next. Now here you just need to click on Skip. After clicking on Skip, you will get a lot of designs. Now you can select the design you want. And if you want to customize it, click on Customize. Now let's say I want to change this image. So I can just click on the image, then I need to click on Change Icon. Now here my topic is YouTube Growth. So I'm just going to search here YouTube. And now I can select the icon which I like. Let's say I'm going to select this icon. Now let's say I want to change the background color because YouTube has a red color, so I want the background color as a red color. So you can click on this option and then you can select the background color and you can press on tick option. So this is the way how you can create a logo automatically using Wix Logo Maker. Now let's move on to the website number two, which is Freepik. So from this website you can get any template related to content design like as logo, mockups and much more. So let's say I'm going to type here gaming logo, then I'm going to select the template which I like and I can edit it online easily by just clicking on this button, Edit Online Now. So as you can see, this gives me a new window on my screen. So here I can edit these logos and then I can download them. So these are the two methods by which you can create some professional logos using your computer. So my dear friends, this is all in this video, but let's say if you want to learn how to make channel banner for your YouTube channel. So for that you can click on this video. Otherwise you can subscribe my channel for getting more information like this. So stay creative and peace out.